So we're gonna use 2 eggs. We have 2 cups of all-purpose flour for this bread. We have 5 tablespoons of sugar. In this recipe, we don't need to knead our dough, all right? Let's add our milk. It is warm. 1.5 cups of milk. 2 eggs. Add our sugar, 5 tablespoons. Our vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Active yeast mixture. Mix it up. Let's add our flour. Add gradually, okay? To be soft, delicious, fluffy. Okay. Make it smooth, free from lumps. So this is greased and coated with flour, okay, our baking pan. I'm gonna add So I'm gonna cover it with a cloth for it to rise. Put it in a warm place, all right? at it. It has risen. Okay, we are going to coat it with egg wash. To give it that amazing golden color. So the oven is preheated. I'm going to put it in the oven. Let's pop it in the oven. Is ready. Okay, have to run your knife through it, around it, so you can remove easily. So this is our bread. Look at how soft and delicious it looks. We've come to the end of this video. In case you are tired of kneading dough, this is the right recipe for you. All right, very delicious. Look at that. Look at how soft. Look at that. That. Please share, comment, and I'll be seeing you once again in my next video. Bye. God bless you.